Hello friends, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is junction object. Junction object. It is many to many relationship. It is custom object with two master detail fields on it. First master detail created on the junction object is called primary master. Second master detail field created on the junction object is called secondary master. Whoever is the owner of primary master, he will be the owner of corresponding child records. If we delete any one of the master record, corresponding child record will also be deleted. If any master record has more than 200 child records, then it cannot be deleted. Junction object cannot be master to any other object. Example on junction object. Let's create junction object by creating three objects. First object project, second object developer, and junction object assignment. For one project, maybe there are so many developers are working. In the same way, one developer may be working on different projects. So here assignment is junction object. This is going to relate master detail relationship with project and master detail relationship with developer, which means junction object has relationship with project and developer both. Thank you. So coming back to our practical session, first we need to log in to our Salesforce account. Practical scenario for junction object is here we need to create three objects. First object is project, second object is developer, and one junction object is assignment. So for creating these three objects, first we need to click on setup, build, create objects, new custom object, project, projects, project name, and I'm taking text by default. Okay, and allowing three reports, activities, and track field history. Allow search, save and new. Next object is developer, developers, developer name and text. Checking three this optional features. Allow report activities and field history. Allow search, OK, and click on save and new. Last is assignment. Assignments. Assignment name I am going with default. Allow report activities and field history. Allow search, OK, and here I am clicking on save button. So it's not getting displayed here in tab menu. For that I have to go with tabs, click on new, choose project, okay, choose tab style, anyone, both, apply on tab visibility, default on, click next, including employee management system, save. Next one, developer, choosing style, clicking on next button, default on, okay, next, going with employee management system, okay, save. And the last object is assignment, choose assignment, go for one style, click on next button, default on, okay, next, go with employee management system, click on save button. So it's appearing here, project, developers and assignments. So here I am going with assignment. On assignment, I have to create two master detail relationship. So for that, again I have to go with setup, build, create, objects, assignment, fields and relationship, click on new. So I am going with first master detail relationship, project, clicking on next button. I am same going with project. Here child relationship is assignments, click on next, 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 save and new because I have to create one more master detail relationship. So I am again going with master detail relationship, click on next button, developer, click on next button, developer, click on next. To master, for this assignment, two masters are getting created. First one is project and second one is developer. And assignment is child object for both one. So assignment is junction object for this both. Click on next. Click on next. One more thing I am going to show you right now here. If I am going with one more master detail relationship, see if Salesforce is allowing us to create one more master detail relationship or not. So master detail relationship is saying that for one object, for one custom object, you can create only two master detail relationship, not more than that. So now it's disabled. Clicking on cancel button because I don't have to go with that. So for projects, I am going to create one project. Project name is ERP and one more project I am going to create PMKY. Clicking on save button. Two projects I had created over here and developers. I am going to create developers also. And developer name is I am going to give Ravi and second name I am going to give here Teja and third name I am going to provide here Neha and clicking on save button. So if I am going with assignment, so clicking on new assignment 1 I am going to take here project like ERP and developer is Ravi. And the second assignment I am going to take assignment 2. I am giving the project like PMKY and developer is Neha I am taking. Clicking on save button. Let's see what's happening. If I am deleting project, like if I am deleting this PMKY, see Neha is associated with this project. What happens to that? Here Neha is available and in assignment, see what's happening over here. On the second one, I had created Neha record. Assignment 1 is related with Ravi and assignment 2 is related with Neha. That Neha records is getting deleted. So this is junction object. Junction is basically for if two objects are getting connected and there is not any situation they are connecting directly, and third object is also getting involved, so we are going with junction object. Thank you.